Let's take a simple task. Creating a basic shape like a circle. In most design software, you click a few buttons and voila, you have a circle. But what's actually happening behind the scenes? Meet SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics. It's a simple text-based format for describing two-dimensional graphics. And guess what? You don't need a fancy design program to create SVGs. You can do it right in a plain text editor like Notepad. Let's see what happens when we open this simple SVG file in different software. If open this file in browser, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Photoshop, and even Inkscape, notice how each program renders the circle exactly as defined in the SVG code. Now let's change the color of the circle directly in the SVG code. As you can see, when we reload the file in each program, the color changes automatically. This shows that the software is simply reading and interpreting the SVG code. So what's the paradox? We have incredibly powerful design software that can create stunningly complex visuals, but often the fundamentals are overlooked. By understanding the underlying code like SVG, we can unlock the full potential of these tools. Remember, the most complex designs start with simple shapes. If you found this video helpful, show your support with a like and share it with your fellow designers, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials.